Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. If you have ever felt overwhelmed by debt or unsure how to get control of your finances, today's video is for you. We're diving into the Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey, your ultimate guide to transforming your financial life from chaos to clarity. Dave Ramsey's first step is all about getting rid of that mountain of debt. The credit card bills, student loans, car payments, those things can feel like they're weighing you down. But here is the trick, the debt snowball. The idea behind the debt snowball is simple. Put off your smallest debt first, even if it is just a tiny credit card balance. Why? Because small victories build momentum. Imagine this. You have got a $300 credit card bill, a $1,000 student loan, and a $5,000 car loan. First tackle with $300 bill. Once it's gone, you are pumped. Use that energy to take on the next one. It is about creating a feeling of success and keeping the momentum going, rather than getting stuck in the numbers. The small wins add up and snowball into bigger results. Now that you have started clearing out debt, it's time to prepare for the unexpected. Life throws curveballs, car repairs, medical bills, job loss. And if you're not ready, it can derail all your progress. That's why Dev emphasizes building an emergency fund. Start with $1,000 in an easily accessible savings account. This fund is your safety net, your cushion. No matter what happens, you have got the peace of mind knowing you are prepared. It's like having an umbrella on a rainy day. It is not fun to think about, but when the rain comes, you will be glad you have it. Next, it's time to tackle the big stuff, paying off all your debts. I'm talking about everything, credit card loans, credit cards, loans, and personal loans, housing loan, every debt. You need to attack it with the debt snowball. But now you have got to go all in and get rid of everything except your mortgage. This is the hardest part, but it is also the most rewarding. Every dollar you pay off is one less that is controlling your life. Plus, every payment you make gets you closer to financial freedom. Remember, it is not about how long it takes, it is about staying committed and focusing on the end goal. No matter how long it takes, every small step moves you closer to being completely debt free. Once you're debt free, except for the house, it is time to beef up that emergency fund. We're talking 3 to 6 months of expenses saved up. This is your ultimate financial safety net. Think of it like this. You have conquered your debts. Now you are building the fortress around your financial future. If something big happens, like a job loss or a medical emergency, you are covered. The goal here is financial independence. No matter what comes your way, you won't need to rely on credit cards or loans. You have got your own back. Now that you have got a solid emergency fund, it's time to think about your future. Dave Ramsey says to start investing for retirement. You have laid a strong foundation. Now it's time to build on it. How? By contributing to retirement accounts. Dave recommends investing 15% of your income into these accounts, which will grow your wealth over time through the power of compound interest. It is like a planting tree. At first, it's just a tiny sapling, but over time, it grows into something that will provide for you in the future. Here is an important step, saving for your kids' college education. Dave recommends setting up a college savings plan to start building that fund. Imagine how awesome it will feel to help your kids graduate debt free, ready to take on the world. By saving early, you are setting them up for success and avoiding that crazy college loan debt that so many families face. Now that your kids are set up, your next goal is to pay off your mortgage. This step is the final frontier of your debt-free journey. Once your mortgage, Once your mortgage is paid off, you are officially free. No more debt, no more monthly payments. You have built the life you have always dreamed of. One that is stress-free and full of possibilities. Finally, the cherry on top, building wealth and giving back. Dave says that once you are financially free, it is time to give generously, whether it is through charitable donations or helping others in need. Creating a legacy of wealth that you can share with others is the true meaning of financial success. Imagine not just enjoying your wealth, but using it to make a positive impact in the world. That is the ultimate money makeover. So, to recap, Dave Ramsey's Total Money Makeover is all about the debt snowball, building an emergency fund, paying off a old debt, building a bigger emergency fund, investing for the future, saving for college, paying off your mortgage, building wealth and giving back. It's not about taking shortcuts. It is about staying disciplined and building your wealth one step at a time. This makeover takes hard work, but the rewards are worth it. Now, if you are ready to get started, hit that like button, subscribe for more wealth building tips, and share this video with anyone who needs to hear it. And remember, it's never too late to start your total money makeover. The first step starts today.